Hi, this is Thomas Zhong, and this is my video presentation of coding requirement project for Go. I, well, I built a multi-threaded word frequency analyzer that processes multiple text files in parallel to count how often each word appears. The program reads all TXT files in the specified route, starts a Go routine for each file to count words, and then merges the results into one global frequency map. It prints the top 10 most frequent words across all files. And now let's run the program. Go to the terminal and type go run main go, which is the name of source file. Let it print the results. As you can see, it reads from the text folder and process all files concurrently. These are just simple files. And outputs the most common words. All right, next I'll explain the code. Here, the very first is the main function. Entry point of the program. It reads files, launches Go routines, collects and prints results. And here, the specified routes. You can also change to others. And here I prepare another's. And here, get all txt files from the directory with this function defined and the regular error handling. And here are the channels for collecting frequency maps for each file. And here loops across all files. Here's a anonymous function, launch a Go routine to process each file concurrently. And here is another anonymous function, which close a channel safely. And then combine all the local frequency maps into a global map. And then here print the top 10 words. And you can also change the number to like top 8 or top 20. And here, let's go through the functions. The get text files, it walks through the directory to find txt files. Here it's looking for txt file. Yeah, and returns all the files. And here reads the process file function, reads a file line by line and splits the text into words and counts the frequency. And here split the text using a custom function to filter out the non-letter characters, except apostrophes. And here, normalize words to lowercase before counting. And the merge function merges each file's frequency map into a global frequency map. And then print top words. It sorts the word frequencies and prints the top n, the one you can specify. And here, just use a simple selection sort to sort and print the words. All right, here I'll switch to files with much more words. Here's a homework I did for homework 1, 2, and 6, which contains much more words, many more words already. And let me save it and run again. And here you can see the frequencies are much larger. And here, let me change to like top 15. and run again. Top 15 words, and these are another 5 words that appears. All right. Thanks for watching.